Mago ala ni duol mochung ne choko usuru e pachoka Indian Kenya Revenue Authority. Kuro biro chuno ni ochok siling tara deg ka ochopo giko igani. Jalub jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua wacho ni ne gitimo romo kod duol no otieno manyoro kama ne winjruok makamano ne ochopie. Gachagua ne olose romo mane oket kod aput mane ochuogi mar timo nonro mar lai mar CBC kama e kaka ne giloso.
For the avoidance of doubt, we have inherited a dilapidated economy, and we have work to do to turn around the economy of this country. And we'll be calling upon all of you to bear with us because it is not easy. We are having a big challenge in terms of raising funds for government programs because all the money we are collecting from Treasury, all of it is going to service public debts and to pay salaries. And therefore, there are many measures that will be taken to address that situation. But I want to give you hope. Last night, the President and I sat with the KRI for 7 hours. We parted at midnight to agree on how we collect more revenue so that we can collect about 3 trillion shillings by the end of the year to be able to fund our current and development budget. So don't give up. All is not lost. Despite the fact that we have a difficult situation, we are working on it and everybody is coming along, and in the fullness of time, we will turn around the economy of this country. First and foremost, in the first 2 years, God willing, to return Kenya where President Mwai Kibaki left us.